All right, guys, here it is. The new for me, Weber Mastertouch 22-inch Kettle barbecue. I bought a Kingsford Kettle barbecue that I've been using for about 2 months. I bought that one for $60. I really enjoyed using charcoal and doing cooks with it, so I decided to go all out and get a nice Weber barbecue. So today I just wanted to do an unboxing video to kind of show you guys what's in the box and roughly how long it takes to assemble the barbecue. I'll show you the parts as I take them out, and hopefully enjoy this video. If you want to leave a comment down below or hit the subscribe button for more videos. Going forward, all my cooks will be done pretty much on this Weber Mastertouch. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so out of the box here, you get your charcoal grill owner's manual, the Mastertouch assembly guide, looks like an accessory kind of guide here. Here is the 2 charcoal baskets that are included. See them there. I already have these, so I'm not going to open these. I'm probably just going to sell them. There's that. There's the Weber Grills app, so I guess you can find recipes and stuff like that on there. Maybe I'll aim it down here a little bit. Yeah, that's good. Okay, so here is the top. Cool. Okay, so let's put that down. Let me get this little sheet of cardboard here. Actually, we can use this film. All right, so in here, what do we have? Okay, so that looks like our top handle, all the hardware, a bracket, and another handle. So that's looks like the bottom ring. Is that our wheel covers? I think that's just like a wheel cover. There's the ash catcher there. There's the bowl, and it's already got the one-touch system there. Got, I guess, cleaning and bottom vent already assembled. There's a wheel, garbage. There's a wheel. There's a wheel. This is the rack that sits on top of the grill for I don't know, buns or something up there, a little warming rack. I'm gonna put that down here, I guess. Where am I gonna put it? Over here. Leg, leg, leg. Okay, and in the bottom here, there's the bottom shelf. So you're gonna have your 2 wheels there, and then just a little shelf for whatever, chimney starter or whatever you want. Here's the cooking grill. So this flip up for charcoal entrance on this side. Also, you can take out the middle there. Nice heavy duty, thick grill grate. Put that down here. And the charcoal, where the charcoal goes, the charcoal grate. And that's for the lid to rest in. Okay, so that's everything out of the box. Let's start building this thing. Okay, so let's start with the assembly guide. There's your part list. So, number 1, we are attaching the ring for the one-touch system onto the bottom of the grill. There we go. We got 2 that snapped. That snapped in, that snapped in. They're all snapped in. And then, so the next thing is getting the legs. So basically I just put that into there. It's just like a little folding clip. Push it in, or like that. Push it in there. And you attach that one to the handle side. I believe this has a handle on it. Oh yeah, there it is. This one goes in front of the handle. It's pretty stiff. There we go. And you do the same thing for the other 2. So now it's the wire for the tray. There you go. Okay, wheel assembly. You need a hammer, 2 of these things. So first you want to hammer the wheel on and then put the nut thingy on. So this is gonna go on there. So you guys can see everything. So wheel, hammer nut thing. Nut, wheel, wheel cover, and stopper. There we go. Okay, so wheels are on, bottom rack's on, stopper's on. This ashtray holder is on. One touch system's fine. Wheels are all snapped in. Legs are all snapped in. Done. Number 12. Looks like we're gonna start getting ready to build the rest for the lid. So we'll flip her over. All right, so we need this. And we need this, and that's just gonna, what end is this gonna slide in? This is the part that's gonna kind of hook. Do we have the back? So So we'll turn it like this so you guys can see what's going on. That's gonna go like that. This is just gonna so we need the black round piece, a washer, same thing over here, so black thing. Now, I have to tighten this all up, I'm assuming. Hash catcher is in, and now we are going to install our grate. For charcoal. And then it says to install the rack. There we go. I'll leave that all together for now. And now I need to put on a screw for the cover on the front. That goes on there, that goes on there. Kind of loose. There we go. Lid time. Okay, so 2 wing nuts for the holder. Oh! Is that the right way? It's kind of odd. Facing the vent. Do the same thing with the temperature. So can I put it in there? All right, guys, that's it. All done. Let me take this off the tripod. So basically all I needed was a little tiny screwdriver and a hammer. This was in one of the last bags for the tightening up the handle on the top there. So I used that to tighten up all the rest of the bolts that were in there when I was using a ratchet before. But yeah, so I did have an extra one of these little cups, covers for to keep the wheels on. So let's put all that stuff away in a bag. There we go. So there's the grill rack kind of in the back. Still has the foam on it there. Like I said, the charcoal baskets I'm gonna get rid of. So I guess, there's the grill, there's the vent. This is underneath here. Here's the one-touch system. So if you want to clean it, and then the ash catcher, take that out, pull it in. Pretty easy. Probably about half an hour, 45 minutes took me to build the whole thing. That's what the temp dial looks like. And that's it. So real big dilemma for me was, do I have the Weber handle facing the vent, or do I change it and have it face the dial? We'll see. Just slide your lid in there. Do all your grilling up in here. Lid on. There we go. So that's the Mastertouch Weber. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions on how the assembly went, or you want to give me some ideas for my first cook.